Salve people of the universe, my name is Lord Salvatore, and today we're going to be talking about why I think you shouldn't date. So let me get this straight. When I say that you shouldn't date, I don't mean you shouldn't get into a relationship, but I think that a relationship shouldn't be for just trying to figure out if things work. You know, there's no point in experimenting with something when it's something that's really random. This is the thing. When you go into a cave and you're trying to find gold, you're most likely not gonna find gold. You need to specifically go to a gold mine. And a lot of people, they look for gold in a coal mine. You know, they go into social dating apps and things like that. But if someone is really valuable, they will have had a relationship with someone closer to them. People who date are usually people with too many issues. Because the people that actually know them don't want to be with them. Or they say that they don't want to ruin friendships. But that by itself is also very toxic. Because if you don't want to ruin friendships, you're basically saying, okay, if I'm in a relationship with someone, they can't be a good friend. That's what you're saying. So it's purely going to be a sexual thing or a purely romantic thing. Well, it's not really romantic then, is it? Because part of romance is having a close connection. So you're screwing yourself over. Another thing is that people, they date way too quickly. They do it at an early age because they don't want to settle yet. Right? So they don't want to settle on one person because they're still young. But then, you know, they end up breaking up with people. And that's terrible. You shouldn't break up with anyone. You know, it's just going to hurt more people and it's going to waste people's time. And you only have a limited amount of lifespan. Therefore, you should try to be friends with people. Then pick one of your friends and see if you can, you know, do something with them. Try to get something deeper, a closer connection. It's kind of a thing of where you have to make a choice, right? Do you want to live miserably? Because then you have no reason to complain. If you get married to someone that you found on a dating website, and then you divorce later on, that's your own fault. You didn't account for all the things that would come up. Things like finances, things like children, where you live, jobs, who's going to clean what. You know, these things are not accounted for in that. But if you're already close to someone, you would have already accounted for that. Therefore, you shouldn't date at all. Don't date. Just be with someone who's actually close to you.